Here we are looking at a Roskamp 9x12x18 roller mill. This unit has been totally rebuilt. It has been disassembled, sandblasted, primed, and painted. Brand new bearings throughout the entire mill, motor included. The motor has been sent off and serviced. We had these rolls recorrugated to what the customer requested, which was 6 grooves per inch on top and 12 grooves on the bottom. It is set up 1-to-1. This means that all the rolls are turning the same speed. You can see brand new belts here have been installed. And here we redesigned this idler arm a little bit to make it better. We made it to where you can remove this outer side off and replace the belts that are on the inside a whole lot easier than the way it used to be done. The reason why this mill is called a 9x12x18 is because the first 2 numbers designates the diameter of the rolls. The top set has 9" by 18" rolls, 9" in diameter, and the bottom set has 12" by 18", and they are 12 inches in diameter. You can also tell this on the sides. The shaft diameter is much smaller on the top set of rolls than on the bottom. We have put new serial tags on this unit. You can see here the serial number is 6904. The year of manufacture was 1983. It's a Model K. And then we have our tag up here, which is has our rebuilt date on it, February of 2018. You can see on the sides here we put all new all-thread everywhere on the unit. New bearings. This mill is ready to go back to work. This mill is equipped with roll scrapers for the bottom set of rolls. There's an adjustment on each side. One is for the back, that would be this one, back roll, and then this one would be for your front roll. We have them set and locked into position. If you were going to adjust them, you would loosen this by turning it back, and then you could make your adjustments here as needed. Okay, we have the mill running for you right now. Very nice and quiet. I left the safety shield off just so you could see it for demonstration purposes. You can see it here running. These mills with the bigger diameter rolls in the bottom, the book talks about them running just slightly slower than what your normal 9x18 2-pair would run. See your agitator there? This here is your speed gate control inside there. Controls the gate. Very nice unit. We put a lot of time into it. We pay attention to details when we go through and rebuild them. We want the customer to feel confident in the purchase that they are making, that they are getting a good mill. Every set screw gets checked on these mills before they go out into the field for service. This is the mill running with all the shields in place. This is how it would be running in your plant, your feed mill, and wherever you install it. Always run it with all the safety shields in place.